Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Isro question paper from 2006 to 16, production part 8. Question is, diamond cutting tools are not recommended for machining of ferrous metals due to A. High tool hardness, B. Chemical affinity of tool material with iron, C. Poor tool toughness, D. High thermal conductivity of work metal. Its answer is B. Here, carbon of diamond reacts with ferrous. That's why we are not using diamond cutting tool for cutting ferrous metal. So answer is B. Chemical affinity of tool metal with iron. 68. During the execution of CNC part program block N, this is sequence number N020, G02, X45, Y25, R5.0, the types of tool motion will be G02 for circular interpolation clockwise. Circular interpolation that entire coding table I will give you. Important things. That entire table is very important for all exams. In GATE, IS, Isro, SAIL, Coal India, all examinations they are asking these codes. So important codes only I am telling you. G00, point to point motion or rapid travel. In drilling we are using this. E01, linear interpolation. Then G02, circular interpolation. Clockwise, CW. G03, circular interpolation counterclockwise. In that above question, G02. So that answer is circular interpolation clockwise. G04 is for dual. Then G05, hold or delay. Then G17, 18 and 19. All are for plane designation. This is for XY plane. Then ZX plane. Then YZ plane. Then G33. It's for thread cutting. Then excuse me. G70, dimensioning. In inch unit. Then 71, G71, dimensioning in metric unit. Then G91, this one also asked in GATE. Specifies incremental input dimension. This is incremental and G92 is absolute. Absolute preset, change the datum position. 91 is for incremental, G92 is for absolute. Then here M code. M code is for miscellaneous functions. M00. This is for program stop, spindle and coolant off. Then M01, optional program stop. Then M02, end of program. M03 and M04, these two are very important. Spindle on clockwise. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. M04 is for spindle on counterclockwise. These two are very important. M03 and M04. Then M05, spindle stop, 06, tool change. Then M10 is for clamp. This was asked in IS. M10. Then M11 is for on clamp. F stands for feed rate. For example, F150, it's for feed rate 150 mm per minute. S for spindle speed. Spindle speed in 1500 RPM. F for feed function. G preparatory function. M is for miscellaneous function. N for sequence number. S for spindle speed. T for tool function. Here F is important. G, M, S. Last phase here, G01 is important. This is used for drilling. Then G00, G01. G00 is used for drilling, point to point interpolation. Then G01 linear interpolation, G02, G03. Then here 17 is important. Then 70, 91 and 92. Incremental and absolute. Next question. An oxidizing process used for aluminum and magnesium articles is called as a repeating question. Already discussed in my previous video. A. Galvanizing. B. Anodizing. C. Parkerizing. D. Ceradizing. Its answer is anodizing. Next, one of the characteristics of polymer is A. High temperature stability, B. High mechanical strength, C. High elongation, D. Low hardness. The answer is high elongation. C is the answer. Next, usually materials with the following crystal structure fall in ductile mode: A. FCC, B. BCC, C. HCP, and D. None of these. Its answer is FCC. Face centered cubic. FCC examples are aluminum, copper, nickel, and silver. Next, work hardening strengthen an alloy by A. Removing internal defects in the crystal structure, B. Increasing the dislocation density, C. Decreasing the grain size of the alloy, D. Increasing the lattice resistance to dislocation motion. Its answer is increasing the dislocation density. In cold working, we'll get work hardening. Shock resisting steel should have higher A. Stiffness, B. Hardness, C. Toughness, D. Shear strength. Shock resisting or impact. Answer is toughness. Aluminum crystal structure is already discussed. FCC. Aluminum, copper, nickel, and silver. The structure which has the highest packing of atoms. This question was asked in GATE also, 2015. That BCC structure packing factor they asked. Its answer is 0.68 for BCC. But in this question, which has the highest packing of atoms? So highest packing is HCP and FCC. So both A and C, both are available, both A and C, D is the answer. For simple Q, then BCC, then FCC, then HCP. For simple Q, it's 52%. Then BCC, this was asked in GATE 2015, 0.68. Then 0.74, here also same 0.74. Both are highest, FCC and HCP. Next question, list 1 and list 2 matching. This one also repeating question, already discussed in my previous video. PQRS. Cold rolling, malleability is the major factor. Hardness, indentation, impact load, resilience or strain energy, wire drawing, ductility. 3142. 3142. B is the answer. Graphene is a two-dimensional material consisting of a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb of chicken wire structure. B. A tube-shaped material made of carbon having a diameter measuring on the nanometer scale. C. Completely non-transparent material. D. None of the above. Graphene. This is very important material. It's a allotrope of carbon. Structure is honeycomb-like structure. Its applications are very important. Solar cell you are using, then light LED, then touch panel. This is very important. touch panel in our smartphone, smart TV are using this graphene. So its answer is a two-dimensional metal consists of single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb or chicken wire structure. A is the answer. Next, a mixture of chemical compounds or elements that have a single chemical composition and solidify at the lowest temperature than any other composition made of the same ingredients. A phase balance system, B eutectic system, C binary thermally balanced system, D intrinsic system. It's a eutectic system. Here in iron carbon diagram, only small part I will show you. Draw in red color. Two very important things. Here we'll get eutectic. Here we'll get eutectoid. In 723 degrees Celsius, they are 1137 degrees Celsius. Here, liquid converted to 2 let be right. It's austenite plus Fe3C. In eutectic, liquid converted to lead burate. Austenite plus Fe3C. But in eutectic, austenite is converted to ferrite plus cementite. That is called as pearlite. Here it is called as lead burate in eutectic system. Both are important for all examinations. When a material is strain hardened, next question, when a material is strain hardened, its yield strength reduces and ductility increases. B, its yield strength increases and ductility reduces. C, both yield strength and ductility increases. D, both yield strength and ductility reduces. Here yield strength when strain hardened, yield strength and ductility. In cold water we'll get strain hardened. Yield strength increases and ductility decreases. Ductility reduces. B is the answer. The main objective of short pinning is to improve which property of metal parts? A, surface finish, B, ductility, C, fatigue strength, D, none of these. Short pinning are using for fatigue strength. It improves the fatigue strength of the metal parts. So answer is C. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe it.